Hey muñecas, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing a product that has me very intrigued, and I know that you can see it already by the title. So let's just get into it. I'm going to be testing out the Euylure Pro Magnetic lashes. I was so on the fence about testing magnetic lashes because I saw so many bad reviews when they first launched. I want to say like a year and a half ago, but it was like the ones that you had to put like one on top and then one underneath, and just seeing it was very painful seeing other people trying to accomplish putting them on. But since then they kind of amped up the process. Instead of wearing two lashes, now you are going to be using a liner, and the liner has the other piece of like the magnet per se, and they're supposed to attach to the lashes. So you don't need glue, you just need liner and lashes and you're good to go, supposedly. So we're gonna test it out today, and I'll let you guys know whether this is really truly a good product or if it's just a gimmick. And I am also very curious to know if they're easy enough for someone that is new with lashes, for somebody that is not used to wearing lashes. So we shall see. Before we go into the review, please take a second to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future content. And then if you like this video, I will be more than thankful. So before I start the review, let me just let you know very quickly that I did receive this product for free for testing purposes directly from Euylure and Octoly as well. So that doesn't mean that I'm going to tell you that I like them if I don't. Just being honest. They only sent it for me to review it. So here's my review, and I'll let you know whether or not they're worth it. So let's just keep watching. Eyes are complete. We're gonna go ahead and now test out these beautiful lashes and hope that they work. Let's see. I have them in the style, what is this? I have Fought Mink Wispies, which I think I'm gonna try those, or maybe the other ones, I don't know. Then I have Fought Mink Volume. Yeah, I think these are the ones that I'm gonna try. And then I have Fought Mink Accent. So they all, this is like half of a lash. They all Fought Mink, which is amazing because we're not hurting any animals, but we get that full flirty, fluffy effect. And each come with a liner. So yeah, let's give it a whirl and see whether or not these lashes really work. Pricing, it looks like depending where you buy them from, you can find them anywhere between $11.99 to $14 or even $16.99 I saw in Ulta. Walmart, they're less than $15, so that is probably a good idea to buy them there. From what I've seen other people do, you have to use the liner and just line your eyes like you normally do, and then you can just go ahead and put the lashes right over it. I don't think I need to look up a tutorial to do this. It should not be rocket science, so let's give it a try. Alright, so it was pretty easy to line my eyes, to be honest. The only thing is that when I first applied it, I felt like I applied a little bit too much. And I used a regular liner to do my little wing because I didn't want to have magnet on my little wing, which is a baby wing, by the way. So I don't know. That was just me thinking, but I don't know if that makes any difference. So now let's just go ahead and apply it like we normally would. Alright, that was too easy for me, honestly, too easy. The only, I mean, in this part, I see that they're kind of like flying. Maybe because I used that other liner. So let me put a little bit more of the magnetic liner. Better. Alright, that was too easy. So let's do the other eye and see if it's just as easy. And yeah. I guess I just have to try it for the day because this is too easy. All right, and of course I never read directions, but now I was looking at it and it says that step 1 is to apply liner, allow it to dry. Step 2, apply 2 more coats. So you're supposed to apply 3 coats of the liner. I only applied 1 on this eye, so I'm gonna take it off just in case, because then more than likely it will then remove, maybe, like it won't stick as it to affect the longevity. So I'm gonna follow instructions. Coat number 3. Alright, so I think we're good to go. This one looks like it's dry completely. So now we're gonna go back in with the lashes and just pop them in. Too easy, too easy. So let's try the other one. That was so easy. That was unreal. So let's see what happens now that we apply mascara. See if it moves, see if they stay in place. And yeah, it definitely is moving. Yeah, it's coming off. Yeah. So what I would say is, because I was thinking, let me see if I can put them right back. I was thinking to put on the mascara first, because I normally do that whenever I'm gonna wear false lashes. Like I put mascara and then the false lashes. And but then I'm like, okay, it's gonna be difficult for me to line my eyes. At least it was easy to pop them back in. Then that's why I decided not to put on any mascara. So I will say, do the liner, put on mascara while it's drying, and then put on the lashes. So honestly, it was so easy to apply. The process is so easy, and they look so perfect on, like no problem on the inner corners of the eyes, which is a problem for me sometimes. But in order for me to recommend it or not, I really need to wear it throughout the day and see if they're gonna stay in place for the rest of the day for at least 4 hours, like if you go into an event or something like that. So it's 2 p.m. right now, 2:10 to be exact. So I will come at the end of the day. Let's see until how long I can hold off with this makeup, because I'm not doing anything today. And I will let you know whether or not, you know, this is a must. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey muñecas, so I am back. It's already 7:36. I'm looking at the timer from my stove over there. And the lashes, this one is on-ish, like it's a little lifted up here, but this one is completely moving, and I think it's honestly due to the fact that I didn't follow the instructions when I was first applying it, especially on this side. I literally just put the liner, didn't wait for it to dry, and just popped them in, and then I tried to do the correct process by applying another 2 coats, but I think that's the reason why that one is like so flying away. Besides, it's been a good amount of hours. But I will say, I think I really like them. I mean, I need to give them another try, another go, and make sure that they do stay for at least 4 hours. Sorry about the background noise, but we have Mario addicts over here. And oh, what happened? I have my little guy here. Bear, say hi. He's going to my daughter's. Hey. Go. He wants to go. So what was I saying? So I think, honestly, it was a lack of knowledge for me, and I need to retry them better. But this side, I think it was a fair shot, a fair try. It's moving a little bit here, but I think if I like find a mirror and I put it in place, I replace it where it belongs, I think it will be fine. But there is an experience gap there. I think once you get to use them a little bit more, maybe, you know, it'll get better. They're so easy to put on, and the fact that you don't have to worry about having glue on your lashes after you take them off, I think that's a plus for me. I think that's truly what has been selling me. But I do need to retry them. I don't think they're gonna be lashes for you to wear an entire day. I think they're more like something, for me, like I make a video, I put on makeup, I keep it for like 4 hours usually, tops, because most of the time don't go anywhere once I do my makeup for a YouTube video, or just to take a picture or something like that. So I think that's cool. And then if I'm gonna go to like a dinner or something like that for like 3-4 hours, I think that will last that long as well, if you do it correctly. Like this one was behaving pretty good up until now, I think. Yeah, that one is pretty good. It's just this one. You see that one? That one is like completely separated. And when I go like this, it looks like the liner was coming off. So yeah, that was it. I will leave it up to you. I mean, I personally think I'm gonna continue using them just because of that, because they're so easy. All right, let me just get them off. They're so easy to apply, and I really see myself reusing the same one a lot of times, so they don't even look used because you don't have the glue situation. So if you spend $15, you're gonna be able to use them a whole bunch of times because you don't have to worry about the glue and all of that on the band. But that is it, my loves. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, that you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much.